Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris again from OzCanopies and 4x4. I took my ADHD medication this morning, so I'm a little bit more energized. What have we got today? GWM. It's spelled out for you, cuz, right? We've got a GWM Cannon in, a brand new model, less than 50 kilometers on the clock. Actually, I don't know, I'll go check the thing, but it looks basically brand new. Driven from the dealer to us to get a ding-ding-ding electric roller shutter. Electric roller shutter to be fitted on this one today. We're going to go through the assembly of it, we're going to go through the fitment of it, and we're also going to go through how to fit the OEM sports bar back on so that you can maintain that lovely OEM look. I'm going to stop yapping and we're going to get into it.
Look, I feel like Kobe, 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. We in the field, but I'm in the end zone, no I can't lie. Good as a friend, but she and her friends go look at the score. I'm sorry, little brother, you know you can't win. Like a knockout, I punch like take when I aim at his chin. So we in the back of the back, last name Dripper, so you know I get drippy. You ain't on my side, ain't on my team. Yeah, I'm running the city, don't gotta ask if it's with me. Yeah, I play the blind like a Wimby. I shoot till it's empty, sticks in the back of the Bentley. Look, I feel like Kobe, 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. I feel like Kobe, 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. You ain't on my team, just back it up. Like, oh, they want smoke, we gon' pack them up. Just look at the score and the time is up. I'm on where you gon' lose, better back it up. Pack it up, like, oh, they want smoke, we gon' pack them up. Just look at the score and the time is up. I'm on where you gon' lose, better back it up. Yeah, add it up, send me the work, I back it up. Zip, they mad as cause I get it back and I rack it up. Quick, Audemars, Hublot, Patek, Trent, Louis, luggage, Paris. I feel like Kobe, 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. I feel like Kobe, 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. Give a fuck about no miss.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fitting video on getting this electric roller shutter fitted on this GWM Cannon. So we'll go through it. This is the OzCanopies and 4x4 roller. You can see over here, obviously we've got the logo represented there. So you'll get yourself a pair of these keys, right? Very straightforward to operate. Press the unlock button and it'll start rolling back. One thing that I want to draw attention to is just how silent the roller is. I'm going to try and stand close to it with the mic so you guys will get a good idea on how silent it is relatively to the other rollers on the market. Very straightforward. Dan, go ahead and show the people. What I'll do is I'll just quickly unlock the car and go through, and then you can just see just how much space that you gain. You can see the two hoses at the front over there. That's to evacuate a ridiculous amount of water if you're in a situation where those hoses aren't going to be evacuating enough water for you. You're probably going to lose the car as well. You're probably driven into the ocean, right? So barring that, they do really well in evacuating the water. You can see the guys have gone ahead and done the water test as well. We'll make sure that we water test every single roller and canopy before it leaves the shop. You've got the integrated LED light bar there. That one comes on when the roller is sent forward, right? I'll just go ahead and do the operation as well. We've got another very little trick feature that's on these bad boys. So as the roller's coming back, let's just say you've got a unit or you've got some tall shopping or a tall load, or you've left an appendage in there while you're making a little video with your cameraman here, right? You don't have to worry about nothing because it'll just sort of bounce back like it just did. So these electric rollers, understandably available for GWM Cannon. We've got them available basically for all the current generation utes and some of the older ones as well. If you want to grab one for yourself, OzCanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you guys know what to do. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline. So if you want to see more of this stuff, you enjoyed this stuff, definitely give us a like and subscribe so you can catch the other stuff as well. Other than that, Chris, we'll see you on the next one.